baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all, could care less the cost. I give you my everything. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces.
Well, what a morning so far. We ended up not being able to do the hike that we had planned to do. The area was closed, but we stumbled upon this place and it's just been incredible. I don't really know what the name of the trail is. We'll have to put it down here below once we figure out what it is. We're thinking maybe it's the Boranda Trail, but it's absolutely beautiful, very steep, but because of that altitude, you get a lot of beautiful views and a lot of sun exposure, which allows for beautiful, beautiful wildflowers. So it's been a great hike.
Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
Well, what a great trail that was. What a nice surprise. That is called the Boranda Trail. We finally saw a sign at the end that indicated what it was, and we didn't even do the whole thing. There's a campground back there too, but beautiful, beautiful views. Definitely coming back to do this one again.
And give me your freedom. Whoa, yeah, to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.